Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving into something we all use every single day, but rarely stop to analyze. We are talking about office emails.
That's right, Tina. And specifically, how email has essentially developed its own unique language over the years. It's not just about English grammar anymore. It's about reading between the lines.
Oh, absolutely. The literal meaning of a phrase in an email is often completely different from how the person reading it actually interprets it. It's almost like a secret corporate code.
Exactly. Let's start with a classic example. When someone writes, "Per my last email," what do you think they are actually saying?
Oh, that one is painful. Literally, it means according to what I wrote previously. But in email language, it almost always means, I already answered this question. Why didn't you read it the first time?
Spot on. It's a polite way of expressing frustration. Another big one is, just checking in on this. On the surface, it sounds friendly and casual. But the subtext is usually, you missed the deadline, and I am waiting on you.
It's so true. And what about thanks in advance? It sounds polite, but it can actually feel a bit demanding, like, I expect you to do this task, and you don't really have a choice to say no.
This brings us to a huge part of email language, punctuation and formatting. In standard English, an exclamation mark shows excitement. In an email, what does it mean?
Well, if you use no exclamation marks, you might sound cold or angry. Like if you write, thanks, with a period, it sounds like you're mad. But if you write, thanks, with an exclamation mark, it means, I am friendly and happy to work with you.
It's fascinating how a single punctuation mark changes the entire tone. On the flip side, using all capital letters, all caps, is the email equivalent of shouting at your coworkers. It's a definite red flag.
And don't forget the passive-aggressive CC. Adding someone's manager to the CC line out of nowhere is basically email language for, I'm bringing in reinforcement because you aren't responding to me.
So, knowing that email has its own language, how can our viewers navigate it successfully?
First, I'd say always reread your draft before hitting send. Put yourself in the recipient's shoes. Does it sound constructive? Or could it be misinterpreted?
Excellent advice. Secondly, remember that clarity beats politeness code. If you need something by Thursday afternoon, don't say, whenever you get a chance. Say, could you please send this to me by Thursday at 3 p.m.? Being direct prevents misunderstandings.
And finally, if a thread gets too tense or goes back and forth more than 4 times, pick up the phone or hop on a video call. Sometimes, real language is better than email language.
Well said, Tina. Email is a powerful tool, but mastering its unspoken language is what truly makes you a confident professional.
Exactly. Keep practicing, stay clear, and use these rules to communicate with confidence.
Before you go, if you want to dive deeper into mastering workplace communication and polishing your professional email writing, we've got you covered.
Yes, check out the description below this video. We've curated a list of the absolute best, highly rated books on professional email writing available on Amazon. Clicking those links is a great way to take your skills to the next level.
Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!